Hi friends, welcome to Vilohit channel. My name is Vilohit Sai. I am studying 4th class. Today we are going to learn how to make flower designs with paper. Why late? Let's start the video. For making flower designs, we need a pencil, scissors, scale, eraser, CD and one A4 sheet colored paper or white paper. We should take a A4 sheet paper and we should fold it in half like this. Then we will take a CD and keep it in the middle of the paper, and we will trace the CD with the pencil. Like this. Now we will take scissors and cut the pencil line. Like this. Now we will keep the waste part aside, and we got two circles. One circle we will keep aside. Now we have one circle. We will fold this circle in half. Then we will fold it in half again. Like this. Now we will open it. Then we got a line in middle. This corner should touch this middle line like this. And this corner also like this. Then we got like a triangle and down one curve. We will take pencil and draw like this. See, like this. Now we will take scissors and cut. Now we got like a flower shape. Now we will slowly open this flower. See what we got? A flower. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. But don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.